Hi friends. I'm Talky Tara, your little language buddy. And before we begin, a big shout out to my super smart subscriber, Vihaan. He guessed our last idiom correctly. That's awesome. Now today's idiom is super funny. When pigs fly. Wait, what? Hee hee, can pigs really fly? Of course not. This idiom means something will never, ever happen. It's just a silly way of saying, that's impossible. Like if I said, I can eat 100 chocolates in one bite. You'd laugh and say, yeah right, Tara, when pigs fly. Or if my friend says, I'll clean my whole messy room in 1 second. Haha, no way. So we say, when pigs fly. See? Easy peasy. This idiom is just for fun, to show something is impossible. Now it's your turn. Write your own "when pigs fly" sentence in the comments, and maybe you will get a shout out in my next video. Okay buddies, keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll be back with another fun idiom soon. Bye!